Guys, what is up? It is your boy, Chris Colgan, probably the world's worst sneaker reviewer, but the world's quickest sneaker reviewer. We have probably one of the biggest shoes of 2023, and we're not even there yet. We have an early look at the Air Jordan 3 White Cement Reimagined. Let's get right into the video. Guys, like I said, you can already tell online some early box pairs have popped up of these. I was able to get myself a pair of these Air Jordan 3 White Cement Reimagined. Oh my God, I think they are beautiful. They look amazing to me. One of my favorite shoes. My boy Z Sneakerhead had hit me up when he saw I got this pair and he's like, what do you think? I was like, man, I am definitely giving these an A+. But then I was literally stabbed in the back when my camera guy, Bobby, and I'm not even kidding, said these are one of the worst Jordans he has ever seen. So I want to know in the comments below, do you guys agree with that? Like, he's not a big sneakerhead, but he was like, man, these things look cheap. They are ugly. He's even giving me a thumbs down right now. He is not a fan, but take a closer look at these bad boys. Let me know what you guys think. Guys, so you know what, I personally, the material wise, these aren't like the greatest shoes ever, right? But material wise, I definitely think they're okay. The look wise, the Reimagined Jordan 3s, I am giving these bad boys just an A-. They drop in March for a price of $210, but I think resale wise, we might be sitting at like $300 to $350. These aren't gonna be as big as the Chicago ones, as you know, but I think these are gonna be really popular, but obviously there are gonna be a ton of these put into production and they'll be easy to get at your local sneaker store or on the sneakers app, which obviously sneakers have started to crash in price and it's a hell of a lot easier to get right now. But I wanna know in the comments below, what do you guys think? Do you agree with my A- or do you agree with Bobby with his D- that he gave these bad boys? Appreciate you watching the video. Definitely subscribe for me if you've never watched before. Like you can tell, and I always say, I like to just give you these quick hitting reviews. If there's anything else you guys want me to review, definitely let me know. But these, the Air Jordan 3 White Cement Reimagined, are gonna be a huge drop in 2023. I say go out and buy them. Bobby doesn't, but anyways, I will see you at the top or from the top when I dunk on everybody's asses in these Air Jordan 3 White Cements. Why am I still looking at the camera? Peace.